Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out if the text document file has AI generated words or sentences in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you. Say here I have one text document file, so let me open it. So here are some sentences. So in order to find out if this text file has any AI generated words or sentences, so for this what you need to do is just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and visit to this website link. After that, just scroll down below and you will see your download option. Just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to run this software installer. Now click on next. You can just select this, create a desktop shortcut, click on next, click on install. So finally the installation has been completed successfully. Now just click on finish. So finally you can see the user interface of this software. So it's a very straightforward software. So what you need to do is just open the text file and just copy the enter sentences. And now just paste it by pressing Ctrl V on your computer keyboard. And now you can see here a start option. Just click on it and you need to wait for a few seconds until the complete scanning is done. So finally the scan has been completed. You can see the result. Click on OK. Now you can see here AI generated text detected. So let us check. So you can see here it has marked the AI generated text with the red in color. So you can see here if any more, let us check. So there are no more others. So this text file contains AI generated words or sentences. So by using this software named as Sherlock AI Detector, you can easily find out if the text document file has AI generated words or sentences in Windows computer very easily. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.